Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch or would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Ladies Quartz 33mm in rose gold with a silver dial and gold bracelet, reference 67651OR.ZZ.1261OR.01. I'll tell you a little bit about the history of this watch, then I'll tell you about the case bezel dial bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So here's just a brief overview. The ladies AP has come out with the smallest size. Well, I guess it wouldn't be the smallest size anymore. Now they have a mini Royal Oak as of, I think, 2024, but it was a small size for quite some time. And it is the 33mm that you see here. The 33mm is in quartz, meaning it uses a battery quartz movement, which runs on a battery, as opposed to a automatic movement. The automatic movements, which are mechanical and are self-winding, those are 34mm. This one's 33. Now they came out with these ones, I want to say quite some time ago, at least 10, 15 years ago, maybe more, and it's now 2025. And they've been producing it for quite some time, but in 2021 or so, they came out with an automatic movement. Maybe in 2020, they came out with an automatic movement that was only 1mm bigger. But people still like the 33s because they do not require any servicing, and they are keeping time more or less all the time, except when it runs out of batteries. And I'll tell you a little bit more about it as we go through, why you might want to choose a 33 as opposed to 34, since the size is almost the same. And the 33, since they've been making it longer, I want to say something like 2010 they were starting to make it, all the way until 22. Actually, they're still making it right now, so I take that back. So they were making it for quite some time, or they are making it for quite some time. And they make many different variations. The variation you see in front of you is a very basic variation, but that's not a bad thing. Basic doesn't mean bad. It just means that there's no funny, strange colors on it. It's just a very basic white with rose gold, which is not a bad thing. They make other variations, and of course you can buy all those other variations at jazztime.com, as well as this one at the lowest price anywhere online. So let's talk about this watch, starting with the case. Now the case is 33mm. It's the second smallest now as of 24 or 23, I think it is, when AP used to make a mini, or it did not make a mini. Now AP makes a mini, but that mini Rogue is more like a piece of jewelry as opposed to real watch like this one is. And this one definitely is very much a real watch. Okay, 33mm, so it's the second smallest, almost the same size, and it houses a quartz. As a result of having a quartz movement inside, it doesn't require that many parts, so the thickness is only 7mm thick. And I think the other one, the automatic, is something like 8 or 9mm, not much thicker, to be honest. But it is nice to have a thin watch, especially for a lady. It's nice to have petite, thin things. So yeah. And everything else is the same. It still has the same style case. It looks just like any other Royal Oak. Okay, let's move on here to talk about the bezel. Now the bezel is done here with diamonds, and they do a nice job of that. AP does one of the best diamond bezels. And why I say that is because they don't go overboard and make gigantic diamonds that just don't make sense. They make diamonds that fit the watch, look fantastic, complement it, but yet not overshadow the watch with having diamonds that are too big. And so it looks quite nice. In total, let's see how many they have 40 brilliant cut diamonds with a carat weight of 0.71. It's not a lot of carat weight. It's not very, but it is quite a bit of diamonds, 40 diamonds going around the bezel. It really gives the watch a luxurious look, and in my opinion, is the best way to have a lady's AP. I love it with diamonds, actually. Okay. All right, let's look at the dial. Now, the dial is quite some things to unpack here, so we're going to go through it. The first thing is that the quartz dial is a little bit different from the automatic dial, in that the quartz dial does not have 3 hands. It does not have a second hand. It only has 2 hands, an hour and a minute, which is probably for the reason that in quartz watches, the second hand usually does not sweep. That's not always the case, but it usually does not sweep. which means that you won't have a, in quartz moving, you'd have a ticking second hand most likely, and they don't want that. It looks unsightly. And also, so they just get rid of it altogether and they make no second hand, an hour a minute. So it actually makes the watch look even cleaner, actually, if you ask me. And they call this a silver tone with a grand tapisserie pattern, but it basically looks white to me. Okay, silver or white, a very light silver or white. Okay, so I call it white. And you have a nice luminescent on the hour hands and the markers, which allows you to read the watch at night. And that's a practical aspect of the watch. But also the automatic has that. One thing that the automatic does in the newer version that the quartz one doesn't is, in this version, you see the AP logo is applied in gold, but the words Audemars Piguet are written out in black ink. In the newer versions, they get rid of the AP logo and they put the words Audemars Piguet fashioned in gold to match the rest of the watch. So if it's in rose gold, they do the fashioned in rose gold, which I think actually looks much better and cleaner. I don't know why they need to put the name twice, once with the logo and once with the name. So they did get rid of that in the newer version. It looks a little bit cleaner, but I'm not sure that's a reason not to buy this watch, because it's just a preference thing. Some people like this AP logo on it. At any rate, that's what it is for the style. And it has even the date at the 3 o'clock position. So yeah, that looks quite nice there. Okay, let's move on here to the bracelet. Now the bracelet, they actually make this watch with a rubber bracelet as well. We can get that at jazztime.com as well. Or they make it with the gold bracelet that you see. And actually, if you want, you can buy it in either configuration and buy the corresponding bracelet to match, which I think is pretty cool, because some people want to wear it on a rubber strap or some people want to wear it on a gold bracelet, and you can mix and match as long as you have the clasp, and we can help you get all that if you buy the watch from us. No, we're not going to do it if you don't buy the watch from us though, because it's a lot of work. But if you do buy the watch from us, we definitely could do that, and you can wear the watch in either configuration, on rubber strap or this way, which I think is a pretty cool way to wear the watch. Okay, with that said, let's move on past the bracelet, which is the movement. Movement is a quartz movement. As I said before, it uses a battery. Got to be changed every couple of years. The good thing is that when you put it down, it doesn't stop. It's going to run 24/7. Has 7 jewels, and yeah, okay. All right, now time to try this watch on my wrist and give you my thoughts. I'm a big fan of AP. I think they make the best sports watch in the world. And for ladies, it's no different. They make a great sports watch, and the result is what you can see here. I like it in this size. I think it's a perfect size, 33 or 34. To me, it's the same. And I think it's a little bit cheaper than the automatic version, which I think is a good thing. It's less money for essentially the same look and maybe even a little bit more convenience. It doesn't have the automatic movement, which is, for most people, is not a big deal because they don't turn over and look at the back anyways. So I'm definitely going to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.